Turn signal light stays on when car is off. So, you notice that your turn signal light stays on even when your car is off. Sounds strange. This is usually a common problem in older cars. It can be the left or right signal light, front or rear. The position matters a little, but we wouldn't treat them independently. No matter the position, most blinker stays on when car is off. Problems are caused by similar factors. Understanding the cause and possible solutions will determine the best way to resolve the issue. That said, your turn signal light stays on, even after switching off your car, either because you have a bad ground connection, wiring issues, or a bad switch. A thorough diagnostics will help you fix the problem. We understand you are worried that your turning signal does not want to come off, and you are scared that it is draining your battery. We created this video to help you navigate the problem. Let's get started. Key causes. Help! Why does my turn signal not turn off? No need to panic. Here are some common reasons your blinker stays on when your car is off. Number 1. Bad turn signal switch. The turn signal switch handles the turning on and off of the signal bulbs. When the switch assembly goes bad, it becomes hard to control the turning off of the turn signal light. Amongst numerous factors that can damage the turn signal switch, corrosion tops the list. There are chances that the switch is broken. A plastic piece is located inside the switch, aligned with the spring. The signal switch is rendered useless when these components break. In this case, it wouldn't signal the system when to work or stop working. If you are experienced, you might consider opening and putting them back in order, or you should get a new switch assembly. Number 2. Module. Cars are fitted with different modules that handle the operations of different parts of the automobile system. These modules feature different modes that handle the electrical functions in your car, from locks to AC controls. Fortunately, the turn signal also has a module. Some turn signal modules are built with high-grade functions that feature comfort, canceling, and full flash mode. These modes are not necessarily our concern. We will focus on the mode that can keep the turn signal on even when your car is turned off or in the sleep mode. The turn signal module is designed to go into sleep mode a few minutes after you turn off your vehicle. This is designed to save battery power. If the module is bad, the turn signal will remain and draw power even after you've switched off your car. Number 3. Wiring connection. We cannot overrule the fact that your turn signal light stays on because of faulty wiring connection. If there is a short in the wiring/electrical connection of your turn signal, the battery will be drained, with or without turning off the car. The truth is that wire shorting is one of the most complex electrical problems that your car can ever have. This is because it is not only related to a faulty relay, but you will need an advanced auto repairman to detect the drain and fix the problem. Number 4. Flasher relay/control unit. I can relate to this one because I've experienced it. I found out that my left blinker stayed on even though the turn signal was in a neutral position. It became annoying when it wouldn't go off even after turning off the ignition. At the end of the diagnosis and repairs, my car's central alarm control unit was replaced, which was the problem's end. We've had issues like this where we suggested that drivers check their flasher relays. Because the flasher relay oversees the turning on and off your turn signal light, there are chances that the turn signal will be affected if they are faulty. How do you fix a turn signal that stays on? Here are some quick fixes for a turn signal that stays on even after turning off the car. Number 1. Check your wiring and electrical connections. If you noticed that your turn signal stays on without going off, you should first check your electrical circuits and connections. Look out for corrosions, damages, or shorting. Check if you have some wires touching each other, causing a battery drain even when you've turned off the ignition. Number 2. Change the turn signal switch. We can assume that the turn signal switch is bad, and the first thing you should do is to change it. Change the turn signal switch and see if the problem persists. Number 3. Check relays, modules, and control unit. You might need the services of an expert to help you out on this. Get your flasher relay checked, modules, and control unit. You must replace all faulty elements. Summary. Your turn signal light staying on when the car is off is usually a minor issue that rarely occur, so we pay little attention to them. Contrary to what we've explained, if your light stays on after you've switched off your car, it might not mean that you have a fault. It can simply mean that you left the signal on. You can park your car and still have the turn signal lights blinking. You should ensure you've tried turning them off before running diagnostics on them. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.